Good morning. Today we're making a maca green smoothie, and we're going to start by adding everything to our blender. We're going to start with one small fresh mango cut in pieces. You can use frozen or fresh. A handful of baby spinach or more if you're like me and you like more spinach. A quarter cup of frozen strawberries. 1 teaspoon of maca powder, 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, and a small bunch of raw almonds. Now we're going to add 1.5 cups of cold water. Now we're going to blend it. And here you go. Hope you enjoy your smoothie, as I will. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.